Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around. So let me just unclip it right here, put it on the hand like this, and once you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna place my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, give me a second. Let me put it back to the position it was before. Like this, clip it, and place it. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And now you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets or cards. I'm not sure how they're called on this watch. I think it's cards, but I would call them widgets. So you can swipe left on the screen. Here we have the blood pressure widget, and next one should be the heart rate. And I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor right now, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. As you can see, you have this animation of the heart rate. And let's wait. Let's wake up the screen. As you can see, now we have the heart rate. And this number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time. You can also see the highest of the day and the lowest of the day. And you have the graph right here that shows you the progression through the whole day. Yeah, through the whole day. And once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can simply press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.